Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is Bill's Music for y'all all, and today I'll be showing you how to use the step sequencer, patterns and the piano roll in FL Studio. Welcome. If you like this content, please do subscribe, hit the like button and share this to your friends and family. So let's dive straight into it. Today I'll be showing you how to use patterns, how to create patterns in FL Studio. Patterns are playlist clips that are used to play instruments, drums, and other stuffs into your beats. What we have here right now is Sakura, that is a synthesizer, I would say. Yeah, a synthesizer. It comes with FL, really nice VST tool. So if you want to record, probably you are recording with your MIDI keyboard or you're using the piano roll to set keys, and you want to record this into your playlist, the first thing you do is you come here, select the pattern. In this case I have pattern 2. Then once you select the pattern, you can scroll up and down, in case you need to change stuff later. Then you paste on the playlist, on a channel in the playlist. You can paste anywhere, it doesn't matter, track 1, 2, 3, anywhere that's free in your arrangement. On the left hand side here, you can see you have the pattern, so you see what pattern you're on, what is in what pattern. If you look very close, you will see the piano keys inside the patterns. These are instruments. For example, this is Toxic Biohazard. So I opened this from the step sequencer. Just as you saw, the step sequencer is also called drum machine. Some people call it drum machine. The actual name is the step sequencer. So you can add instruments, VST instruments, kicks, claps, drums, anything through the step sequencer. So right now what I have open here is the piano roll. The piano roll is used to set keys on the piano. So if you have loaded your VST instruments, you can come here and use that instrument, that sound that you have loaded in the step sequencer, to actually make beats, set keys inside the piano roll. Another method of recording into a track on the playlist, recording your VST instruments into a track on the playlist, is for you to hook up your MIDI keyboard. You go up to record keys that have been added into the step sequencer. If you want to add other instruments to your arrangement, it is the best for you to do that through the step sequencer and through another pattern, so you have them separated. For example, I'm on pattern 2 right now, so if I add kicks to this, the kicks will be added to pattern 2 automatically, which means once I paste into the playlist, I'll have Sakura, which I opened before, Toxic Biohazard, and my kicks in the same pattern. So instead you do it this way: create a new pattern, paste on the track in the playlist, and add. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to record MIDI. You go into the top left corner of your FL Studio, press the record button. You can record everything. If you don't have your mic hooked up or other things that can be recorded, you can record. You can just go ahead, press everything, so it will catch up. Just catch what you are playing on the MIDI keyboard. You are seeing that right now. I just played something on my MIDI keyboard. If you don't want to, or if you have other things hooked up, probably, I don't know, drum machines, your keyboard, and probably your mic is hooked up to your sound card, I wouldn't advise for you to go for everything, because you have your voice and every other background noise recorded into your arrangement too. So in that case, I'll say you should go ahead and record notes and automations. Then you have your notes recorded that are that are sent from your MIDI keyboard into the computer. So that's it, guys. Thank you. God bless.